Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we're driving back to the auction and picking up another car that we're gonna rebuild. Should be a quick fix. We're gonna change a couple suspension components, do some body work, and it'll be ready to go. So right now I'm driving on the 241. We're driving to Fontana auction. So once I'm there, we'll get back to it. But for now, enjoy the ride. Alright, so we just got to the auction, so we're gonna go find our car. It's a big auction, there's a lot of cars here, so I have to drive around and see where our next project is gonna be. I think I see it. I think I see it. Here we are. Chrysler. Let's park it up, let's go take a look. Take a quick look and see what we got. That's it, we got it. Looks good, just how I imagined it. Pretty much no surprises, which is good. New fender, new suspension, blend the door, repair the bumper, and we'll be good to go, good to go, good to go. Oh, it's missing a key too, so I have to make a key. So I don't even know if it starts, but sure it'll start. What's gonna be the worst? All right, so we're gonna go through the gate, get on the freeway, and head back home. I'll see you guys back at the shop. All right, so we got the car back to the shop. I took the wheel off and kind of assessed the damage. We're gonna need a new wheel for sure and a new tire. You can see this thing got busted inside, so got a new tire and wheel coming. And then for the suspension, the axle ripped out. So we'll replace the axle, and then the lower control arm popped out. You can see right there.
I'm gonna turn it on, okay?
Let's do it.
Sounds good.
We got power. Any lights on the dash?
Tire pressure, that's it. That's it, brother, just tire pressure. Shit, you got a good buy, huh?
So I was able to get a new key right away. The guy came out, mobile key programmer. He actually supplied the key and he programmed it. So everything works. Here's what it looks like. It's got lock, unlock, remote start, and then you can open the doors and the tailgate. So everything's working as it should. I'm gonna start taking the suspension apart, so that way when our new used suspension comes, we'll just throw it in, bolt it on, and we can get the car off the trailer. All right guys, so we just got the Chrysler off the trailer. We got the new suspension on, the new wheel and tires, so everything's looking good. The wheel looks pretty straight. Pretty much all we need is some cosmetical work. We're gonna replace the fender, we're gonna repair the bumper cover and the rocker molding. I already got the new fender, I jammed it, so now we're gonna get the car inside and start working on it. It's gonna be a quick one, not too much work, so let's get inside and start working. Little update on the Chrysler. I got the fender jammed, installed, ready to go. Next step I gotta do is I gotta remove the mirror molding and the door handle. That way I can blend the front door. And we got our bumper and rocker molding repaired. Here's our rocker panel. So we're ready to primer, repair the bumper a little bit. So we're just gonna primer this corner of the bumper and then this section of the rocker panel. That is it, we're all done. We'll let that dry overnight and then we'll get back to it. Check it out guys, the van is all done and it's looking good as new, even better. It's all detailed and ready to go. Let's take a quick look and see how it turned out. So that is going to be it for this episode. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this quick repair of the Chrysler Voyager. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe. That way you don't miss any new content. So that is going to be it for today. I'll see you guys on the next one.